What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and happy 2020. Oh my god, it is a new year. This is my first video of the new year. How is your year going so far? Mine has been pretty interesting. My birthday was a couple of days ago, so that was pretty fun. I am rocking a new look. This is obviously a wig. Had a bad hair day, so we're just gonna go with it. You know, it goes along with this really fun look anyway. And I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering what I have on my eyes, and it is the whole topic of this whole entire video, which is the new ABHxAMREZY eyeshadow palette. So this was the PR box that was sent to us, and this was sent to me in PR, just to let you guys know. And you can even purchase this yourself if you want, which I think was so awesome. So the palette came in here, and then you get this really pretty blinged out mirror, which is so pretty. Honestly, did not see this palette coming. I knew she probably was working on some other type of collab at some point, but I did not think it was going to be another eyeshadow palette. But this screams Amra. It really does. It is so gorgeous, and my nails match, and it wasn't because of this palette. My birthday was a couple of days ago, so these were my birthday nails, but they match perfectly and I'm not complaining. So this is the palette. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it everywhere. It is just beautiful. Like, I mean, I just love Anastasia's palettes in general, but this one is literally for an everyday person. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, girl, no, there's like blue and hot pink in here, but other than those blue and hot pinks, there's like browns and like warm tone neutrals and cool tones in here. This has everything, you guys. This palette literally you can create like 100 looks with this. I'm not even joking. And I only created 3 looks for this video because I really didn't want to drag on this video for so long. I really want to like get it out for you guys because I'm pretty sure this palette is limited edition, and if you guys can get your hands on it, I would definitely recommend that you do. It's just so beautiful. I tried my best to use most of the shades. I already did create another look that I didn't film. Unfortunately, it was my first look trying out this palette, and I was blown away by the pigmentation and the blendability. And I will have a picture up here inserted somewhere of the look that I did for the first look, and it's on my IG. If you guys want to follow me on there, I would greatly appreciate it. I will leave it linked down below if you guys want to check out my Instagram. It's pretty lit. Other than that, this is such a beautiful palette. There are 2 pressed glitters that are new to the palette and the line, I believe. They have the loose glitters, but the pressed glitters are a new thing for the eyeshadow palette, so that was really cool. You have your beautiful shimmers. Barb, such a beautiful shade. It's so unique. It's what I have on my inner corner right now. It's just beautiful, like duochrome, pinky blue, green. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. And the hot pink Rezy, it's like everything. That's what I have on my lid. Shemsa is such a beautiful burgundy purpley shade. I love it in the outer corner, all over the lid. It's so beautiful. And it's the name of her mother, which I thought that was really, really sweet of her. And then Anastasia is another gorgeous shade, and for the queen herself, she named that. Cupcake is another beautiful shade, and she obviously named that after Norvina. That's what she calls her, Cupcake. And the other one that she named for her was Gorgina, which is such a beautiful cool tone coppery type of shade. The shadows blend so beautifully together. The mattes blend incredibly. I don't know what it is about every time that Anastasia comes out with a new palette, the mattes just keep getting better and better and easier to blend. But at the same time, they're ones that you can build up. Like, you can go super light-handed, and then you can go super, you know, intense if that's what you want. The shimmers are super beautiful, and they blend like a dream. They're super pigmented. You don't need much, but if you want that intensity, I would go in with my fingers and tap on the shadow. I think that just brings it even more to life. So I wanted to show you guys really quick. This is the OG Amrezy palette that Anastasia came out with. This was their very first collaboration that they came out with. If I'm not mistaken, it was in 2014 or 2015, something like that. I'm pretty sure it was 2015 because that's when I posted my very first YouTube video, and she was the very first eyeshadow palette that I used on my channel. This is actually, if not the first eyeshadow palette that I purchased when I started my makeup journey. So this holds a special place in my heart and I'll never get rid of it. She is pretty well loved as well, but this is just something that I'll never get rid of. This is so special to me, and it's so awesome that she literally had a sister and a huge glow up. So I'm super proud of Anastasia, Norvina, and AMREZY, you know, for continuing these amazing collaborations. All right, enough talking. So if you guys want to see the 3 looks that I created using the Amrezy palette, then just keep on watching.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. We lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, eh? Until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, eh? It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember.
So that was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked all 3 looks. I think this palette is so universal and so pretty and so wearable for everybody. I'm not even joking when I say that. It is $49. It is a little bit more expensive than the other eyeshadow palettes. I think the Jackie Aina was $45, and then like the regular Soft Glam and Modern Renaissance were $42. But for $49 for 2 extra shadows that are, you know, completely new to the line, and on top of that that it's a collaboration, I think $49 is not a bad price, and I would definitely pay $49 for this beautiful palette. It is definitely worth it, and it is, like I said, it is very wearable for everybody. You can just use matte shades, you can just use the shimmers, you can do whatever you want with this palette. So I love it. I can't wait to play with it even more. So I hope you guys liked all of the looks. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave in the comments down below which looks were your favorite. I really like to know. I will also have all of my other social media links down below so you guys can follow me, and I will also leave the palette linked directly down below so you guys can check it out. And I don't have anything else to say except I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.